Good morning and welcome to Zizo Kitchen. Today we're gonna make cheese omelette, and we will show you how to make cheese omelette in simple way without any fancy ingredients. So stay with us and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So let's start preparing. We need 2 eggs. We're gonna break both of the eggs. Alright. We will add salt to it. A little bit of salt, a pinch or two. Now we're gonna mix it nice and slow. We'll put egg mixture in the frying pan. We'll use cheese slice. You can also use cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. Now we will put cheese slice on one side only, and we will fold it. We'll show you how to do. Sorry about the camera shaking. Actually, I'm the one holding the camera as well as making the dish for you guys, because my team is super lazy. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. We will cover it for like 3 to 4 minutes on low flame, and our super yummy cheese omelette is all set and ready. Super tasty, delicious and simple cheese omelette is ready for you guys.